Don't miss this vehicle. Make a great choice today with this must-have ride. Learn more about this vehicle by contacting the dealership today and complete your driving dreams. This vehicle is powered by a rear-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 3.5-liter engine. This vehicle has less than 65,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, 4-wheel disc brakes, front wheel independent suspension. Inside you'll find low tire pressure warning, power windows, power steering, tachometer, overhead console, panic alarm, tilt steering wheel, AM/FM stereo radio, front bucket seats, front reading lamps. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.